The Honor Watch GS3i smartwatch has been introduced by Chinese tech giant Honor, with a number of updates and features. The Watch GS3i smartwatch is a low-cost smartwatch with a variety of sports modes, a long battery life, and health monitoring capabilities. A high-definition color AMOLED display of 1.39 inches is included with the Honor Watch GS3i smartwatch. A tiny piece of curved glass and 3D lights shield the display. Similar to the earlier GS3 series, the watch has a circular dial and a warm, full appearance. The overall aesthetic is minimalistic yet attractive, making it appropriate for both daily use and exercise. The 455 mAh battery inside the smartwatch provides up to 14 days of battery life. In terms of smartwatch appearance, the Honor GS3i smartwatch doesn't break any new ground, but what it does offer feels well-made and is wearable all the time. You also receive a fairly stunning presentation. The 22mm strap is detachable and quite simple to swap out, and the 45mm size casing is composed of metal with a plastic back. Three colors Midnight Black, Ocean Blue, and Classic Gold are available for the Honor GS3i smartwatch. Yet, the screen is incredibly precise and brilliant, with the kind of aesthetically pleasant deep blacks you'd associate with a high-quality AMOLED panel. The watch's overall appearance is improved by its slightly curved form, yet those seeking the sleekest model are encouraged to choose the somewhat more expensive blue or gold models. You're good to go if you want a watch that you can wear while swimming right here. With a 5 ATM water resistance rating, the Honor Watch GS3i smartwatch is safe to be immersed in liquids that are up to 50 meters deep. The Watch GS3i's smartwatch ability to monitor health is one of its key features. The watch has a blood oxygen saturation monitoring feature that calculates the proportion of the blood's total oxygen and hemoglobin capacity. Users can use this tool to monitor their physical changes and make sure they're overall healthy and happy. A 24-hour heart rate monitoring feature of the watch warns users when their heart rates are abnormally high or low. Although Honor may no longer be a part of Huawei, the watch software seems to indicate otherwise. Honor doesn't specify the operating system that powers the GS3i smartwatch, but it is unmistakably a proprietary one that looks and feels a lot like Huawei Harmony OS and Light OS. Currently, it only functions with Android smartphones. iOS support will be introduced via an OTA update, although it is not yet known when that will happen. To pair, sync, and adjust the watch's settings, you'll need the Honor Health smartphone app, which, surprise, resembles Huawei's Health app. 100 sports modes, including 15 professional sports modes and 85 personalized sports modes, are also available on the Honor Watch GS3i smartwatch. The watch can document the wearer's athletic data, including pace, distance, and calories burned. Also, the smartwatch enables automatic exercise identification, which records data as soon as the user starts working out. The GS3i smartwatch has many of the features you'd expect for activity tracking, including daily step counts, tracking of runs or swims, and sleep tracking. Honor claims that the Watch GS3i's smartwatch optical heart rate sensor makes use of an 8-channel heart rate AI engine, which achieves a total heart rate accuracy of over 97%. If you need to check blood oxygen levels throughout the day, it is also equipped to continually record blood oxygen data and take on-the-spot measurements. The capacity to continuously detect stress is also unlocked by that optical heart rate sensor. Users of the Watch GS3i smartwatch will have plenty of room to store up to 500 songs, thanks to the device's 4 gigs of storage. The watch also has NFC functionality, which supports more than 300 cities. Users can quickly and simply access public transportation services and make payments using the NFC capability. The Honor Watch GS3i smartwatch comes in two pricing ranges: a sports version and a fashion version. Starting prices for the sports and fashion versions are respectively 699 and 799 yuan, or about $100 and $115. The Honor Watch GS3i smartwatch is a surprisingly capable smartwatch with a clear focus on health and fitness, and it really shines in those areas. It is still a good option for Android users, though, and if Honor can improve the software and add more advanced smartwatch functions, it might even compete with stronger rivals from Huawei and Immersed. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, then I will expect them in the comments below. Have a nice day, and I'm sure good luck is on your side.